welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name's Lindsay, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to crop 5 different types of tops. So basically I wanted to show you like 5 different styles of shirts that you could crop that maybe you never thought you could crop and it would look cute. I don't know, but I'm here to show you today that there are many different types of tops and just sweaters or t-shirts that you can crop. You can make all different types of stuff. So everyone can definitely do this. All you're gonna pretty much need is a pair of scissors and the thing that you're cropping. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. Alright guys, so for this first one, you're just gonna need a blouse. You could do this with a long sleeve blouse, but I just thought that the t-shirt blouse was really cute. So I got this from the thrift store, and that is that. You could get one that's fitted like me, you could get one that's a bit more oversized. Both would look cute, so let's fix it up. So first, just button up the front button so that everything is even, and make sure your shirt is flat and all of the seams line up. And then once you have that, you're gonna make a line across the shirt. So I decided to cut from one string to the other. I basically just cut a line that was just above those strings because I didn't want to include them in the cropped shirt. So I just cut it so it was just above, and that is good, and you have your new shirt. Also, the line I cut is curved just to give it like a flowy effect. Alright, so the next thing we're cropping is a mesh dress. So I decided to cut this because I don't know if people realize that you can like actually cut mesh pretty easily and it doesn't like fray out much or anything. So I decided to cut this dress because I've had it for a long time. I actually wear the slip dress that it came with way more than I've ever worn this. So I just decided let's crop it and make it into a cute like flower t-shirt. So yeah, now let's do it. So again, just line up your shirt or dress really well so all the seams are touching so it's all even. And then I used this little rock just to put on the dress so that it wouldn't move because the mesh was very light and it was like moving easily. So I just kind of put it on there to help keep it stable. And then I drew a line with my ruler. I always usually draw a line because that's how I am. I just like it to be precise. And it was really easy to draw on like the flower velvet part, but the mesh part I kind of had to guesstimate. So if you have to do that, then that's what you gotta do. And then all you do again is cut it, crop it, and you're good to go. So this one I actually filmed in the summer when I saw this sweater on Urban Outfitters because I looked at it and I was like, I think I could recreate that from like something from the thrift store, but it was like 40 bucks. I think this was like American 40 bucks too, I can't remember. So I was like, okay, I think I can find something for a bit cheaper. So I went to the thrift store and saw this ribbed shirt that literally looked like the same material. So let me show you how I cropped this to make it look like that shirt from Urban for like 5 bucks. So again, lay your shirt out flat and then make a little dot where you want to crop it when you try it on. I ended up doing this probably slightly shorter than I normally do because the Urban one was pretty cropped, but I really like how it turned out, so it's all good. And then draw your line and cut it. So now that you have the crop top, we're going to make the little slit that the Urban one had. So I just made a little dot where I thought was like a good place to put it, and then I just cut downwards from that. Now if you look on the Urban Outfitters one, the collar isn't there. I don't know, like the crew neck part isn't there. So I took my seam ripper and just took that part off so that it looked a lot more like the Urban one. I did have to take the tag off as well because it was like half on the collar, half on the shirt. And then after that, I just pulled out all the extra strings that were attaching the two. And then you have your new shirt, and I honestly think it looks so much like the Urban Outfitters one, so you guys can definitely make this and it looks so good. Alright, so next we have this mock neck green like knit type of sweater, and I thought it would be really fun to crop this because it was just like a bright color and it was like a mock neck. And I even used this for like my ugly sweater video back in December because it's not the cutest, but I think that it would look really cute cropped. So let me show you how I did that right now. So this one was so easy to crop because the material of it is like this knit, so as soon as you cut it, it like just stays how it is. It's perfect. It doesn't unfray or anything. So what I did, same thing, line it up, draw that line across and cut it, and then you are literally done and it looks so cute. So I know that like everyone crops t-shirts, but I usually find that the t-shirts they crop are like oversized, and I wanted to show you how cute it looks when you crop a tight shirt and like pair it with jeans. I just want to show you that you can do it and it looks great. So this one is so easy to make. All you're gonna do is make that dot again where you want it to be cropped and then draw your line. I usually draw my line like right on the top of the dot so I don't get any marker on my cropped shirt, and then just cut it and you are good to go. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you one last little hack. So say you have a shirt like this that's long, but you're not sure if you actually want to crop it. You can do this little trick and you don't have to touch it with scissors, it'll be perfect. So you just take the bottom, you lift it up, and then you take the edge and you tuck it into your bralette or bra, whatever you're wearing, and then you have your cropped version. Let me tuck it in a bit more. Okay, and then you have your cropped top that doesn't have to be cut. So that way you can have the option to keep this shirt long and wear it with like leggings, or you can wear it short with jeans, and you got that option still so you don't have to cut it. Alright, so that is that one. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DIYs like this, then press subscribe. I hope that you guys make these, and if you do, that'd be awesome. You can let me know in the comments. But other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next week. Have an awesome day!